Eh che nawe Thombeni kwami kungaba kunibonga a lot of things nibantu antendeli nje ezidlangalaleni niye nifune kwakha emathuba nihlale phansi utichaze ukuthi yini lo icabangako uyicabangela bantu bangakini ngibonge nje kakhulu irole yakhe hoho lo wathi nasikhulumisa lenzaba kwabonakala ukuthi ngathi iyevakala baphinze futhi basivunilisa kusicha mhlonishwa ekuze ukuthi kungaphazamiseki phela ngoba nanawe ufika ehhovisi ukhanza ibhola komzimba yadlala akufuni ke bese noma ngabe unayo interest ebholeni yakumzimba bese sona letinye tindwe estikhanze tikhona asitihanese nje tonke sibone ukuthi sithihambisa kanjani for the benefit of lama club akithi asemzimba hawu sayiteka ke sayibhunga singayenda njani le awu sabonisana sase sisina sesiya kuye umthombeni sikhuluma ngoba bekunene there's this thing about sponsors wasekhaya umthombeni which we appreciate and siyabonga ukuthi akhanze kukuhle ukuthi asibambise kulomsebenzi esihlangene ngawo namuhla kodwa ke konke kuyafunakala ukuthi angeke simnikete sine imali nguye nemali sine sithi imali then ke but kufuna lesikwendako ukuthi ke bese si promoter le brand yakhe so la mateam uma ngabe sibebe akanye nathi he is now more secure kule environment because so hamba nathi la games esiwadlalako siwadlala ngaye and futhi netimbasha takhona awutiyabona bonakala ukuthi ufakile vele ekhikhini la shona likiki ukuthi asigcumisele sidlalile ngalendlela esidlala ngayo solo sizama ukuthi sinwebe le exposure yale sponsor ngiyathi ukuthi kulabanye benu mhlambe kuhambe kwanikhinyabeta lo ukuthi hayi sase sidlala emaligi lamabili kune league ya Pro Building ngalapha siphinde sidlala league yakasibebe cha iFA Cup yethu le tsine bangala emzimba bete labayile FA lesinayo tsini ukuthi basibadlala le league yabo nanayo nawo ibathi uyayibuka ukhanza ukuthi naye timbasha badlalelako sekuthi nje phela ngibone babonekale badlala but thine awusithi khanze ezidlalela tinkomishi letimbili letibonakala ukuthi cha tiyasibambisa impela siyathi ukudlalisa ibhola kudulile bekunene but phela akube khona usendlalile nikhone kusulasula tinyembeti I was happy lokuthi namuhla sine team leya ka Super League isite nje iwine le league imali ye league iphelele kuma playoffs basina bayithola nje lo mali leyo bahamba bodlala ama playoffs bekumele ngabe bese kuphelile nje ngabo but ke ngalokuthi sina le FA Cup yethu lengusibebe knockout le tournament yethu la sithi khona at limit yetjeni namhla vele sikhona khona kule litshe sekuyakhona ukukusula tinyembeti kuthi awu sengitawukhona kubamba lo msebenzi wekujabulisa abafana nganaku lesiphinze sakutfola sakuwina which is good and ema team batakutshela bodokotela labadlalisa ibhola kuthi for a player kuthi kuze athathwe iteam lengenhla kulesigaba lokuso wena bayibabude labo coach ngoba labo coach enaba trainer phela Chongwe niboni le FA bayabude labo coach ukuthi lo mdlalo udlala emangakhe ema game lo nadlale nje lo la ngi14 noma 20 kuthi hawu seselihlata kakhulu sengavuthwa but nakusiwa abalabo 40 ema game la wadlalile ngale season bayasho ukuthi cha lelija liphekwa liyathululwa rosi lingawumela lo mshikashika walaphetula lasifuna ukurecruitela khona and our league ke sekuleso sigaba leso ukuthi ngalama competitions then wadlalile la ngasisemaningane futhi a competitive sekuyanibeka esigabeni ukuthi badlali benu nibokugatsa ningakusabi futhi nababathatha wena nje kumele ba satisfy le mali yakho loyibida kulomdlalo kuze ukuthi ukhona kurana le team yakho uhambe uyofuna labanye lengemuva ngoba vele senibaphekile labadlali siyanibongela kakhulu kuloko so ngithanda nje kulibonga libandla la kaHoho ngibonge neCC lezidlalisele lemidlalo I understand we are all human ngalesinye isikhathi nasi kuvela info letinsha noma kufika info lensha in an environment ukhanze ukuthi siyasola we don't take things nje at face value sithi naku ngiko I know first games at the tournament yethu Thombeni aba netindzaba letinengi lengafuni ukuthi iphinza la ukhona wena aba netindzaba letinengi lebethi chamuka khona la emathimini but namuhla sesidlalele esibili imidlalo namhla sesila futhi sesipresenta kwesibili ngicabanga ukuthi leyo tindzaba lebethi khona tsekho nyalo sekuclear clear ukuthi sendani njoba shito chairman ukuthi lokudlala kwenu lemidlalo kunende nakhona kucija nabangqono nalabanye lenifike nakhanza nidlale nabo lengembili lokusiniketa siqiniseko sekuthi na next season kunekwenteka sikhanze futhi sifuqa lenye team yeka Super League but ke ngitawucela lokuthi ezithombeni ashito ezisifuqa lena iyaka Super League letabe lena leka Super League lonyaka sithandaza ukuthi iqhubeke ingahlali ka Super League iye ka First Division bese lele stayikhokha eminyakeni lotako ihambe nayo ka Super League sakhe le chain yekuthi ka Premier League sitaba ne team ka Second Division sitaba ne team ka Super League sibe na team bese siba le pool of teams lemzimba CC niyabona bese ke sesiyakhona lokuniketana labadlali laba ka First Division nje badlali bethu bale team yethu tabi ka First Division sathi lokuthi le team yethu nayifuna abadlali the first player le tabi ka Premier League the first players ekumele bafune iqala ibukela kule team ka First Division ukuthi kuteni umdlali engamthatha kuna team yasekhaya ayodlala ka Premier League nalele ka First Division ibukele ka Super League kuteni lesingamthatha ka Super League kusimlethe la ka First Division nalele ka Super League ibuke ukuthi kuteni lo lendasi lesingamthatha simlethe la by so doing we are exposing our talent sitabe expose le talent lethu emhlabeni not just ukuthi sil expose le team lika Premier League kuphela sesil expose emhlabeni bese ke nini emaphathi bema team bese niba business minded bekunene simalungu eParliament siyahlushwa kakhulu there's a lot that is asked of us one of the things that is hluphako indaba emsebenzi imisebenzi kwanyalo kusede enabe umhlonishwa nimthumile eParliament angakhulumi ukuthi sokhulumile na Minister Khumalo Minister wa Commerce ukuthi kube ne factory share lehukwini itoqasha labosisi labangu 1000 awusho sikude komhlonishwa kutamele sophindze isikhethe ngoba lona sengaqala kusebenzela ngicela kushonako ngicela ningakubuki lokho mina ngicela nibuke nini you are an industry nini ema team you are an industry you can be ensingizini nini we can have ensingizini we can have njoba sengishito in all the leagues in this country we can have teams coming from the same constituents we can have that and we can also build our own fan base siyake based on what because now umbona umfana khula definitely we are creating a lot of friends and lot of people abatafuna ukusilandzela naseyikhona nje team yethu sidlala Super League we are expecting ukuthi abantu bakithi basehukwini bahambe boyibukeli Apollo Cape Tito kadangu njoba shito dokotela leli gama hlelishaye kutafuna ukuthi sihambe nangabe nje singadlali noma sinaleyo free now sihambe soyikhuthada lela itabe sidlala khona singakhohlwa ngayo so that is what we are asking la kithi ukuthi bekunene asale sicabanga lokuthi lendvo yethu lesiyendako ibusiness le and this business is costly but nangabe sinebantu labatafana nabo bemthombeni besibebe resort labathatha imbanza kanye naloku lesikwendako then opportunity lekahle yokuthi le business lesiyendako ukhanze ukuthi ivele siyenda successfully eParliament as I speak sine bill lokuthiwa sports bill le sports bill lesinaso sesitama ukuthi tingapane tikhone kwa support lama club noma sports general besikhuluma nako la dokotela sesengale akhala ngawo kona lokuthi uhulumende angawasupporta kanjani ema club nyalo ke iparliament ishaya umthetho wekuthi tingapane letifana nabo sibebe letifaka imali yayo ebholeni le itolo noma namuhla bayayifaka there's no benefit coming direct to them other than lesiyakha ukuthi the word of mouth asambeni siyesibebe asisipromote sibebe nawo konke lokho na nyalo sesitawubuka ukuthi sibebe ufake nganani kutemidlalo bese mhlambe siyamcela minister wetemafa ukuthi awuphela nabo Nkambule baka ERS saleni babukela labo suma business laba promoter le talent lemidlalo ningabaswinyi kakhulu nithathe kube I rebate of some sort lenzaba ukuthi bafakile ebholeni bese niyabangcembetela nabo ukuthi baqhubeke basupport le midlalo. So that is what is going to happen ngale bill letaba ingena masinya seyikhona eParliament sayisebenda sicabanga ukuthi nje singaka ungakavali lo mnyaka itabe seyengqile kithi. In fact on the side of the bill ihambisana le bill ihamba nelibandla bese iParliament belithuma elibandla la sports le sports portfolio bese ke bayasitheka thina sibakama alternate members siyokhulumisa indzaba yebhola nje ibhola ifeleni la kangwane yini ithini la khaya singakhona nje ngisho qualifyela anything siphokudliwa nje siphokudliwa sivile namhla ukuthi kune Karakha live lena 160,000 webantu lebe li World Cup kune Cape Verde lesiyatiko ina not even 500,000 webantu ina 300 and something thousand big World Cup sina 1.2 1.3 million wemaswati asikhona kuya World Cup why mhlambe ngilethe indvo leto lekufuna sitilungise lokuthi mhlambe siyilive sithi bamba kanjani kuze ukuthi sikhone ibhola yethu itokhona kuthuthuka. Ngiyanicela mathimu ngicela niqhubeke ngale spirit lebe nisibambile sekudlala nihloniphe lemidlalo kungashaywana lema groundini futhi noma ngabe le dikhasi letinye siyakito tabo 28 tiyofika ngicela ukuthi ibhola singayipoliticize asikele nje ipolitiki bekunele sibeke eceleni ukuthi uyamthanza Lushaba noma uthanza bani it has nothing to do with what you are doing. Dlala ibhola uyiclub ufuna kuwina Lushaba akhona noma ngekho utawuqhubeka uwine. So ngicela sifocus nje kuloko sethu sente sure ukuthi labantu labadala singakhanzi sibafaka le politiki ukuthi le tournament yayidlaliswa nguLushaba therefore kusho ukuthi Lushaba kunjanjani. No please ngicela mina ningikhokhe lenzaba yepolitiki nebhola. Mina ngicela kunibambisa nje nima team nangabe khona leni ngisho ukuthi mhlonishwa sicela usibambise ngala sizame lokho. Siyathi ukuthi sikusebenta konyalo nangifika ngakhanza soloku la kuhledi sana bodokotela sokubuka indzaba ye ground a proper one. Siyalungisa likhona likubudget sithi alisebenta le ground lokusho ukuthi nangabe singalitfola le ground to libe in the proper standard mhlawumbe lama team etadlala ka Super League they can have their home games ewukwini ngoba sabe sesele ground leliphilayo. So siyabonga kakhulu Thombeni sibonga kakhulu Hoho sibonge chairman kuvana leti mnanzi ukuthi niyabona ke ukuthi nangabe sinebadlali labadlala ku national team what happens the benefits bayasho ukuthi this World Cup is the biggest World Cup ever, the most commercial World Cup ever. Inone kakhulu le World Cup le 48 teams idlala level letimali eMelika. So ngiko labo $2,000 babuya ngala ngasekhaya for players who played kuma qualifiers e World Cup. Just imagine if it was one of our players, one of our own. Mawukhuluma ngebhola ke bekunene. Ibhola inako konke ibhola. Na i-team nje idlala. Good baningi labantu ababenefita kobenzawo for ukuthi i-team yabo idlala leso sigaba lesetulo. So asikubuke nje kanjalo. Sengicina chairman nawe Thombeni nani ma team uteka yona dokotela kulaba labasicoverishelako siyabathi bogwebu nabo Masilela bale kule media lenkulu vele lapho khona nasilapha njengoba sinjena nje bataziveta kusasa ukuthi besisebebe siyodlalisa lemidlalo le but bahle bangabi khona ngalamanye malanga naseyidlala iPremier League nalamanye ama games sadlala kwanze ukuthi abasabi khona bese kuba nanaba bolagama beDustin bese kuba naBhanji ukhona Bhanji akekho la ndamxoxela uBhanji nanaye ngilelinye elijalo khanza libhalile ethombeni yabhala leli page lalo kusho ukuthi lis update ukuthi kudlalwe njani kwentekeni balingisa naba beDustin sisters ngimhlebela umthombeni lenzaba yakho lokhala ngayo lagama Thombeni is a student at Limkogweni. I think she's doing the very same issues around media studies and udinele udecide na ukuthi exposure even before I graduate wayithatha lento wayithanza wayithanza wathi ngoba ngiqhamuka le ekhaya angingameli ukuthi ngiyoqashwa ngoba mina tindzaba nathi ngadibona tiyenteka every weekend ekhaya angibabhale ngibhale emathima akithi she happened to like football so she's really committed to what she's doing and we siyamfisela Thombeni ukuthi amane le camera yakhe nayi lephethwe ngumasilela noma lengetulu kwale yamasilela amana ayithole ato khona kubashutha kahle labadlali nyalubashutha nganalicingo lwakhe Thombeni lokungasiyo ne iPhone so nje lethi thombe takhe tithethi ba haze so nje uyacela lokuthi manje simzame so otherwise teams siyabonga kakhulu Thombeni one thing yakho ke Thombeni which we also owe you sineke singihulumende wena siku owa umgwaco we are owing you umgwaco for this place to continue to thrive idzinga umgwaco sitsinga sibebe aqhubeke akhule abe mkhulu recently it has added other units ngale lamanengi ekulala lokusho ukuthi so ready isibebe kulalisa abantu labenga kwikhulweni kuthi nje ungeta nenkampani yakho yonke nitolala la sibebe they have the capacity to take care of you so but babe sebakhala ngalomgwaqo lo mgwaqo mayukabi but Thombeni uyati what really working on that one yokuthi vele sibabambise hulumende ababambise ngoba ayedwana angeke asakhona phela konke so ngalawo magama Thombeni siyabonga kakhulu into imanze sibonge lelibandla lakho lenihamba nalo sibonge namtsimba kuzidlalisele ema team siyanibonga kakhulu ma team ukutiphatha kahle inkosi inibusise.